Do you have an aggressive child? Meaning like hitting, punching, throwing, biting, sometimes out of nowhere, sometimes like it seems that they enjoy it. Do you have a picky child? Do you have a child who complains about clothes, about food, about everything? You have a child with sensory needs because when sensory input is underwhelming, they seek it, sometimes through aggression, or when it is overwhelming, they avoid it. I have a sensory needs kid. He is a neurodivergent child, and I'm going to share with you my 7 game-changing tools that I use to meet his sensory needs and have my daily routine to be a lot smoother and easier with him. Hello, my name is Marcela Collier. I am a certified parenting coach, head coach of HIC Parenting Education, and my mission is to provide you with the tools and knowledge to help you become a secure parent and raise emotionally healthy children. Okay, so let's go on with these game-changing tools. Number 1, Wobbles tool. If you have a hyper wiggly child who would not sit still to eat, to do homework, to when you need them to sit down, this is a great tool. My husband is a school counselor and he helps kids with ADHD, with lack and inattentive type of ADHD, focus, hyperactive type of ADHD, stay still, and he has wobble tools in his office at his school. So we brought him home and that was a game changer. My twins stay longer when it's homework time, and even to eat, they stay longer on their wobble chairs. By the way, I'm going to link everything up, all the products in the products category here on the bottom or in the description. Number 2, my breathing exercises posters. These help children with sensory needs follow the prompts, take deep breaths, engage their body, and calm down a lot faster. I have these in my children's calm down corner. I just took it down to show it to you guys, that this is a free resource from HIC Parenting. All you have to do is go to the description or to hicparenting.com, and the free resource is there for you to add to your child's calm down corner. Follow the prompt. This is a kinesthetic experience, not just a breathing exercise. So for example, the mountain breathing, you sit down on the floor with them and then you stand up as you take a deep breath because you are going uphill to the top of the mountain, and then you're gonna go down as you exhale, and then you sit back down and crisscross applesauce. And every prompt has a different way the children engage their breathing pattern and their bodies, and that helps sensory seekers calm down using their body, and it helps sensory avoiders calm down as well because the breathing soothes their senses and it helps them with their sensory anxiety. Number 3, weighted blanket. This helps my sensory child, my sensory seeking one, calm down and go to sleep faster. Yesterday he was having a hard time, so I put this on. It feels like a big warm bear hug, and it just chills him out and he went to sleep a lot faster. Now, something that you need to know about this warning. The warning is that I have my child be under his weighted blanket as long as I'm there. Once he falls asleep, I remove it and I put another blanket because there is potential for them to be trapped in that weighted blanket, not being able to get out if they fall asleep. So I just do it for a few minutes while he calms down, relaxes, go to sleep, and then I change it. Noise canceling or noise reduction headphones. I have 2 options for you. Let me show you. These ones are the Snag noise canceling headphones. My son, when he used to take these to kindergarten, not anymore. He has other coping strategies. He's in almost 3rd grade, so sometimes he wears these when he wants to feel calmer. This helps for auditory sensory cues. Or the second one is, yesterday, it was Mother's Day, the restaurant was so noisy, So these are noise reduction headphones, Beats 3. So my son was listening to soothing sounds while it kind of like drowned the noise of the restaurant, and it helped us avoid a sensory meltdown at the restaurant. If you follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, you know that I wear noise reduction headphones a lot myself, because I have sensory needs as well. I have ADHD, autism, and a lot of sensory needs, and I'm just like this. Even just to cook, to attend to my kids, I can listen to them by a comfortable volume. Number 5, the trampoline. This one is such a staple for us. It broke once and we rebought it because our children, when they have pent up energy right before bedtime, they go and they jump for 5 minutes. We do scheduled jumping time before we start the night routine, and it calms them down so much. Or if they have pent up energy after school, it helps them so much. And even myself, I do my morning meditation there on the trampoline before the twins wake up. I just lay there, and it kind of like it's soothing, you move around and it kind of bounces with you. So if you have the space, get it. Number 6, if your daily routine is it's a struggle because your sensory kiddos, they refuse to do things, or they are too hyper to follow daily routine, I encourage you to attend to our open house live event. This is an event from the Secure Parent Collective membership, and it is open house. It's open to the public. It's on May 16th of 2024. All you have to do is go to the description and save your seat for just $17. This is a $350 value for just $17, and you're going to learn to understand and unveil your child's sensory needs, meet them in a way that follows with the daily routine, and just have all the tools to meet your children and their sensory needs, so things are a lot smoother at home. So we're going to be there. I'm going to teach it alongside our neurocomplex parenting coach in HIC Parenting Education. I'll see you there, and I'm so excited for all the people who already signed up. Number 7, don't be your child's punching bag. You can get them a real punching bag. If they have that heating energy, have them hit something that is not gonna hurt themselves or hurt others. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know which item do you want to get for your child. Remember that it only takes understanding of yourself and of your children's needs to transform your parenting. That's Parenting with Understanding. I'll see you next time. Bye.